So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video, I will going to do a unboxing of Google Cloud Arcade Swags which I have received yesterday. And so watch this video until last. You will get to know what are the things I have received from Google Cloud. And after you will get to know like what are the registration process, what are the procedure to be a part of this program, and how you can also get a gift from Google Cloud like me. So, and this is a program which has organized by Google Cloud, guys. So, I will tell you in this last. So, just watch this unboxing only, and end of this, I will tell all those things. So, shall we start? Mahal apa nih? So guys, as I said, I will tell you the all the procedure end of this video. So this is a program which has organized by Google Cloud. So really, this is a benefit of for those who really want to make their career in cloud computing. Not only cloud computing, guys. Like if you be a part of this program, guys, you will get to work on like you will get a chance to work on different technology, guys, like AI, machine learning, deep learning, cloud, Google Cloud, all those things. So they have mainly like they will give labs, so many labs they will give. That lab you have to solve by using the cloud computing. If you don't know about, if you don't have any knowledge about cloud computing, then you can search on Google anywhere you can search, and you will get some idea. So first you have to register. So the registration process I will tell in the next video. So if I tell here this video take become a large. So I'm not going to explain each and every step like how you can be a part of this program. But those who really want to be a part of that program, they can comment in this comment box. Then I can make a video about how you can also register, how you can also get this kind of swags, this kind of gift from Google Club. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Thank you, guys.